Hi guys, this is Anna and today we will be talking about verbs of motion, глаголы движения. This topic is quite challenging, but we will be covering it step by step. So just follow me and let's look at the slides. So you have two boxes. And to your right you have the verb ездить, to go somewhere by transport. Ехать, also to go somewhere by transport. So how to differentiate them? Ездить is multi-directional, meaning that we're using it when we are going somewhere not right now or not only once, but we're going there, we're coming back, or we're just doing it regularly or repeatedly. So ездить is used whenever we're doing it more than once. Ехать, it means that I'm doing it right now or I'm planning to do it once. Now we will look at a couple of examples. So, я езжу. Pay attention to the pronunciation. We don't pronounce езжу, we pronounce езжу. It's like prolonged ж. Я езжу, ты ездишь, он ездит, я еду, ты едешь, он едет. And as an example, I've put also the words which may help to differentiate if it's ездить or ехать. For ездить, we're using часто, often, каждый день, every day. Ехать. You can use it in situations when you have something like однажды, once, сейчас, now, завтра, единоразово, only once. So everything which refers to one time or one direction, right now, or only once. After we practiced a lot on the previous slides, now let's do the speaking session. So in front of you, there is a picture with 3 cars. I will be asking you a question and you need to reply. You also have the hints in parentheses. Вправо, to the right, влево, to the left, and влево again to the left. Okay, so let's look. First question. Куда едет зеленый грузовик? The answer is зеленый грузовик едет вправо. Next question. Куда едет синяя машина? Синяя машина едет влево. Куда едет желтый автобус? Желтый автобус едет влево. And as you can see, we are using here one direction. Едет. On the next slide, you can see the answers and you can check if the answer was correct or not.